Are you struggling to find out like where your niche is, what you're trying to do? We're talking about data. We work with data all the time, but you're like, some of the stuff is beyond me. Well, that's freaking okay. That's why I want to talk to you about StrengthsFinder 2.0 today. I mean, this is kind of a plug or commercial, but it's not really. Let's get into it. As always, if you want early access to this content for as little as $5 a month or $5 a month, you can get this early. But make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, all that good stuff. All right. So this is the book we're talking about, Strength Finder 2.0. What it does is this gets into what makes you you and helps you identify your strengths and your weaknesses. And it does a great job of like articulating and illustrating why you should be leaning into your strengths. Okay. It's because it's not just about like the work that you do on the day-to-day basis. It's like, how do you make sure that you're successful? And how do you understand like how to work with other people? The big thing that this book brings is I mean, the book is good. Don't get me wrong. And what is it? $35 on Amazon or whatnot. But the big thing you get is you get a code to take an online personality test. And this is a fantastic test. It really gets into like who you are. Like it goes in deep and it's going to give you results about your three biggest areas of strength and help you understand like how to leverage that and how to avoid, like struggling with any weaknesses that you might have. All right. This is a fantastic, fantastic way to learn more about yourself. Now, the test does have, I mean, that's for you pay $35, you get to take the test, you get the basic results. Okay. I think, I mean, the last time I took it was like $80. And I'm sure it was a while ago. I'm sure the extended results are probably more expensive now, or maybe they're less. I don't know. Um, but plan to pay for the extended results. What that's going to do is it's going to show you all of your strengths and more importantly your weaknesses across a huge range of different areas and capabilities. Okay, this is going to really help influence you on like knowing when you're in a certain type of situation, like how should you be responding and working? Because sometimes it just doesn't make sense to double down on things that you're just not natively good at or natively like. Like, I'll be honest, I'm not great at spelling. So, like, I'm sure if you look through my videos and whatnot, you can find spelling errors in them. Well, what does that tell me? I should be using tools that help make sure that I have spelling checked before, I send out an email or communication or anything along those lines. Strength Finder does the exact same thing across a myriad of different like types of situations, environments, capabilities, and even other personalities and how you can better work with them. It's a great way to just be a better version of you when you engage with people. Now, you may say to yourself, okay, hey, Chris, this is great. This is not your normal type of thing. You're right. But honestly, being the best you is going to be really influential in making sure that you're working on the right things when it comes to data and analytics. There's a variety of different positions out there. Let's make sure you're working on things that are going to be well suited for you so that you're going to be happy and successful. And, just because there's a great new job offer that comes along and it's $20,000 more a year doesn't mean that's going to make you happier. In fact, that $20,000 a year is nice, but maybe your job's gonna be much more miserable, and that's not something you wanna keep doubling down on, because you wanna we only get one shot at this life, let's make sure it's a happy one, alright? If you like this content, you like that I did a book review, I talked about a book that's not technical in nature, give me a thumbs up, leave it down below. Let me know what your thoughts are. If you want to hear about other books I'm doing, would love to hear about it. If there's a book that you're reading right now that you think I should check out, please let me know. I would love to hear about it. Otherwise, you have the best day ever. Peace. I know this is a lot, like because we're talking about personalities and stuff like that, and like doing that inside of a data ecosystem can be overwhelming to you. If you need help, head over to bakertilly.com. Oh, bakertilly.com slash digital. Click on I need some help, or there's a like request information button. Click on it. Put in there I need help from Chris Wagner. I'll reach out. I'll make sure I get you the help that you need to take on any challenge that you've got.